Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful clay earrings. They are floral hoops. I loved these earrings. I think they are so pretty. Okay, to make this, I'm using this tool. I'm using 4 clay, translucent, this nude color, white and yellow. So I'm gonna put the translucent inside the tool. I like to do this part. Another people use the top part. I like the bottom. So I'm filling the tool with this clay, and this tool has different shapes. I'm using this and in the bottom. So now I'm twisting and pushing the clay out. So you're gonna get like spaghetti. To shape the hoops, I'm using this cutter. They are like more than 1 inch or 3 centimeters. I'm gonna put these around the cutter. They are metal cutter, of course, because they're gonna be baking. So leave a opening like this. Okay, I have these studs. They are too big for me for this spaghetti. It's too big, so I just cut her with my scissor. I know maybe it's hard for my scissor, it's not good for my scissor, but it works. So now they are ready, okay? But first, I'm gonna make the little flowers. They are so cute. I'm using this silicone mold that I bought from Etsy. And for the center of the flowers, I just put in a little amount of yellow clay. It's a tiny bowl in each flower, in the center of each flower. Now, I'm gonna take my white clay to fill it up the 6 flowers. I'm gonna make a little bowl and push into the hole. I'm gonna take out the excess. So you don't need too much clay in each flower. You just need a small amount of clay. So do the same until you fill it up. Everything now I'm pushing down each flower, one by one. And look how beautiful flower daisies. I love them. It's so pretty and so small. Okay, to make a curve in each flower, I'm using this hard cutter. And I'm just gonna push the flower and take it off. And it makes a little curve in the back. That's what I need. That's what I want. So I'm gonna make or repeat this for all my flowers. The reason that I'm making this is because when I glue the flowers on the hoop, it's gonna work better with the curve. Okay, I'm using another color of clay for the flowers. So I repeat, I made the same thing. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven, following the instruction of the clay manufacturer. After baking, they are almost ready. Look, I'm just gonna cut these parts in each, between each petal, just to make the flower more pretty. Okay, I'm just using my scissor to cut in the excess of clays. And I'm gonna do the same thing for all my flowers. Okay, for the hoop, I just put these with super glue. I glue it. And now I'm gonna put another amount of clay, fresh clay, to seal this. Now it has to bake. It needs to be baked. Now I'm gonna make another hoops smaller. So instead of putting outside around the cutter, and putting inside. So I have two sizes of hoops, the big one and the small. The big one is for me, the smaller is for my daughter. Now to glue, now this is the fun part. Sorry my English. I always say sorry because I'm not I don't speak perfect English, but I'm trying my best. So, excuse me. I'm just using super glue in gel that I love. I really love this glue because it's gel and you have control in using this. So just glue each flower. I love this color, white and nude. They are turn out really pretty. So just fill the hoops with the flowers and voila, this is so pretty. I love it. I'm gonna do the same for the smaller one. The big one has like 8 or 9 flowers. The small one has 6 flowers only. So they are ready to use. I love it. I'm gonna make these hoops in different colors. Different colors of flowers. Okay, they are ready. The big ones, as I told you, the big ones of 8 flowers is for me, and the smaller of 6 flowers for my daughter. I made this in black too, and regular color of daisies. Whatever color you want, I think it's gonna be so pretty. Thank you for watching. No watching, watching. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope you like it. Please give me thumbs up, subscribe, leave your comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.